Hi, my name is Martin and today I will be showing you how to install the Speedbox tuning chip into your e-bike. Speedbox is a tuning chip which eliminates the speed limiter so the motor won't switch off after reaching 25 kilometers per hour. During testing, we managed to reach a speed of over 70 kilometers per hour. In this video, we'll be showing you how to install Speedbox 3 for Bosch. The tuning algorithm and software of Speedbox 3 for Bosch have been completely remade, so it is fully compatible with the motors of the 4th generation. We have also added the function of setting your preferred maximum speed. For this installation, we will be using a crank puller, a T20 torque screwdriver, a wrench size 22, a hex key size 8 and some needle nose pliers. We unscrew a hex screw using a hex key. Instead of the hex screw, we then screw in a crank puller and remove the crank. We can then loosen the 2 torque screws and remove the cover. We remove the 2 original connectors. Then we replace the original connectors with the Speedbox connectors. We plug the connectors that we have taken out of the motor into the junctions marked as Speedbox. The locks on the connectors must click when they are plugged into the locks on the Speedbox connectors. Before we put everything back to its original state, we need to check the Speedbox functions by switching on the e-bike and clicking on the walk button. When 9.9 is shown, the Speedbox is activated. When 2.5 is displayed, the Speedbox is deactivated. Bikes which don't have the active walk button are activated by pressing minus plus minus plus. When using the miles mode, 6.1 means that the Speedbox is turned on and 1.5 is turned off. We put the cover and the torque screws back. For reverse crank installation, we use the original screw and we tighten it well so that the crank doesn't come loose during the ride. You can set the maximum speed of the electrical assistance by switching the modes quickly in the order shown in the video. The maximum speed of the electrical assistance can be set by clicking on the walk button or by spinning the rear wheel. The value of 1.5 km per hour displayed corresponds with the limit of 15 km per hour. 3.0 means 30 km per hour, 9.9 means 99 km per hour, and etc. The limit will be saved after 5 seconds of inactivity.
same steps are followed in the miles mode. When using Speedbox 3.0 with Bosch motors of the 4th generation, it is necessary to leave the bike on after finishing the ride until the 0.0 value is shown. The remaining time is displayed in minutes, then we can turn off the bike.